Okay, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to EVS class, all the children. Are you ready for the class, Nana? Yes, very good. So, previous class I taught lesson, no? What is the lesson name? Can you say anyone? What is the lesson name, Nana? If you know, tell me. If you don't know, you at least don't know teacher say anything. Yeah, what is Manisha is telling? Water lesson completed. And next ninth lesson, family and friends completed. Next one is very good, Vandana and Varshita. Work and play. Isn't it? What is that lesson name? 10th lesson. Okay. 10th lesson, work and play. Okay. What is the lesson name? Work and play. Work and play. So this is lesson name. Isn't it? Yes, very good. So, already I taught about games at home completed, means of recreation completed, games in school completed, playing together completed. So today and at previous class also I taught one visiting a circus I explained. What I taught students? Visiting a circus I taught. So and fair play also I explained in games in school. So fair play, some other rules of fair play I explained. No? What is that? Respect the other players. So that is also one fair play rule. And keep patience. Patience also very important. And maintain your dignity. Whether you win or lose, you maintain dignity. Okay. So that is also rules of fair play, isn't it? Next one is means of recreation. What is the next one? Means of recreation. So already that also completed. So what are the means of recreations? Are there many? Watching TV or movies, camping and cycling, dancing. So these all are the etc. Many are there. Visiting circus and visiting a market, dancing and playing games. So these all are the means of recreation. Isn't it, students? So today I am going to explain visiting circus. What I'm explaining, students? Visiting circles. That also completed, yes. So next topic is kite flying. What is the next topic? Kite flying. So what is the next one? Kite flying. So in earlier days, you know very well, people played games like kabaddi and kite flying, spinning tops. In earlier days, nowadays, you know, in this corona time, you all are play these type of games. First, kite flying. You give a main preference of kite flying. Why? Because you can play alone. You can play alone, isn't it? So that is why the kabaddi, kite flying, spinning tops, etc. So children love to fly kites, isn't it, students? Children love to fly kites on Independence Day and Makara Sankranti also. So on Makara Sankranti also, children are very like to play kite flying, isn't it? When Makara Sankranti. Okay, Makara Sankranti. Children love to fly kites on Independence Day and Makara Sankranti. We can see many colorful kites, isn't it? You know very well. All the kites are not same, isn't it, students? Did you understand, Vandana and Varshita? You are laughing. All the kites are not same. So some of the different types of colorful kites are, isn't it? We can see many colorful kites. We can see many colorful kites in the sky during this time. In this time, we can see many colorful kites. Isn't it, students? So, here and once again, another thing also I'm telling you, children. So, in this kite flying, most only we play alone, no? Isn't it? Or with your friends too, also, you are enjoying a lot and you're flying a kite. Isn't it? So, next one is you know very well, all the time of kite flying, we should follow some other rules also. Kite flying also has some other rules. Never fly kites on terrace. But nowadays all the children are fly kites on terraces only, isn't it? So never fly kites on terrace. So it is very very important rule. So each and every game have some other rules, isn't it, students? Each and every game, what game you can see, each and every game have some other rules. So you follow that rules. That is very very important. Okay, never fly kites on terrace, and never fly kites in lightning, because of when it is lightning, so that light it is effect on our eyes, isn't it? Okay, and next fly kites in an open space. They have the open space, you play there only. Okay, and if you tangle threads with the another kite, don't pull the thread or it might break. Don't pull the thread, so you again you tie that total. Okay, and next always fly kites away from roads. Okay. Okay, students, did you understand? So here, that is always what type of rules here I am explained. Fly kites, never fly kites on terrace. Okay, and fly kites in an open space. Fly kites in an open space, and never fly kites in lightning. Never fly kites in lightning, and fly kites in an open space. So these all are the rules. And you know very well spinning tops also, isn't it? Spinning tops. Top is a toy made of wood or plastic. So this type of toy you can see, spinning tops means you know very well this type of it is made up of wood or plastic. It is made up of wood or plastic. Okay, so um, this spinning top, so it is called a spinning top. So it is also have very colorful spinning tops. So you can see this. So it is called a spinning top. So these tops are made up of wood or plastic. Children enjoy, isn't it? Children enjoy to see this top spinning. Isn't it, students? Okay. So this is a spinning tops. Okay. So this is your lesson. What is the lesson name? Work and play. In this work and play, I explained about once again I will tell you children. Games at home means indoor games and outdoor games. And next one, fair play, means of recreation, and visiting a circus. Okay, students. And next, spinning tops. So these all are the games, work and play games. Okay, students. So this is called a spinning top. So children are enjoyed a lot. Okay, students. Children are enjoyed a lot this type of spinning tops. So actually fly kiting, I explained the kite flying also. So these kite flying, all the types of kite flying, we should follow some other rules. Isn't it? Never fly kites in lightning, fly kites in an open space. If you tangle thread with another kite, isn't it, students? Narabla Vishnu. And always fly kites away from roads. Okay, this is also one type of rule. Did you understand, students? So this is a work and playlist. Did you understand all the children? If you have any doubts, raise your hand on your mobile. I will clear your doubt now. Still anybody? So So now I'm going to once again here today I'm going to give glossary. Okay, students, work and play. I'm going to give work and play glossary. Okay. Shall I wrap the board? Yeah. So you also write in your running notes. Take out of your running notes. Glossary. So once. Glossary. First one. Indoor games. Indoor games. Games that are played inside the house. Okay? Indoor games. Games that are played. Games that are played. Games that are played inside the house. Games that are played inside the house. Okay, and next second one, recreation. What is the second one? Write all the children, write neatly, Nana. Second one is recreation. Action done for enjoyment. What is the recreation meaning? Action done for recreation. Action done for enjoyment. Action done for enjoyment. Read and write all the children. Nagamla Vishnu, show me a notebook, Nana. Yes, write properly. Write neatly. Don't write spelling mistakes. Okay? Action done for enjoyment. Action done for enjoyment. Okay? And next one is right, third one, sports person. What is the third one? Sports person. Sports person. Sports person. Someone who plays sport. Someone who plays sport. Someone who plays sport. Someone who plays sport. Next one is a hopscotch. What is the next one? Hopscotch. Fourth one. Hopscotch. What is the meaning of hopscotch? A children's game in which a child by turn okay, a child by turn hops into and over squares. Hops into okay, hops into over space marked on the ground. Over space marked on the ground. marked on the ground. Okay. To retrieve a marker thrown to retrieve a marker thrown into one of these squares. One of these squares. One of these squares. Okay. What is hopscotch? A children games in which a child by turn hopes into over squares marked on the ground to retrieve a marker thrown into one of these squares. So that is called a hopscotch. So that is hopscotch, like a game. Write fast. And next one is children, juggler. Okay. If you completed, I will rub the board. Indoor games completed, students. And indoor games only here given one meaning. So games that are played inside the house. So what are outdoor games? Glossary. But here I am not given. You understood easily. Outdoor games that are played outside the house. Isn't it? Outside the house are playground. Okay. Games that are played inside the house are indoor games. Okay, students. Did you understand? And what are outdoor games? Games that are played outside the house or a playground or park are called in outdoor games. Okay. Did you understand? So complete it fast. So next one, children. What is the next one? Completed. Okay. Now just this one only I am rubbing. Juggler. Fifth one is juggler. Juggler means one who performs tricks or magic. Okay, one who performs okay tricks or acts of magic. Tricks or acts of magic. Tricks or acts of magic. Okay, what is juggler? One who performs tricks or acts of magic are called a juggler. So this is glossary. Okay, children, did you understand? Shall I read once? So stop, all the children. Stop writing. Complete it fast. That is having a textbook also, page number 66, glossary. Okay, page number 66, glossary. Complete that. So if you are not completed, you open that textbook and write it. So first you read this. All look at the board, fold your hands. Venu, Alekya. Alekya. Dommati Manideep Reddy. Vivo 1901234. Who is she? I think Marla Rikshita. Look at the board. All are stop writing. Isam Varun Reddy. Hold your hands. Yes, very good, Varun Reddy. Okay. See first. Recreation. Slow. Recreation. Action done for enjoyment. Very good. Action done for enjoyment. Sports person. Sports person. Someone who plays sport. Someone who plays sport. Hopscotch. A children games in which a child by turn hops into over space marked on the ground to retrieve a market into one of these squares. Into one of these squares. So glossary. Next one is glossary. Fifth one, juggler. Juggler. One who performs tricks or acts of magic. Acts of magic. Once again read all the children. See, first one, the second one again, recreation. Action done for enjoyment. Action done for enjoyment. Sports person. Most of the children not reading, Nana. Those who are very good children, they are reading. Those who are very good children, they are reading, I said. Isn't it? So, sports person. Someone who plays sport. Someone who plays sport. Hopscotch. You read perfectly this one first. Okay? Hopscotch. A children games in which a child. Some other not reading. I can see you. Marlan Rikshita. In which a child by turn hops into overspace marked on the ground to retrieve a marker thrown into one of these spades. One of these spades. So next one, fifth one, juggler. One who performs tricks or acts of magic. Acts of magic. Yes, very good. Domati Manideep Reddy, Buttu Revan, Manisha, Vandana, Varshita. Very good, Nana, all the children. Okay, so these are the glossary from work and play lesson. Okay, students, did you understand? I hope you all are understood this lesson. And the ninth lesson total complete after only you start fair notes, work and play lesson. Okay, first you write glossary and paste the pictures of indoor games and outdoor games. Any two outdoor games and any two indoor games. Okay, students, and write the name also. If you know the drawing, you can draw, not a problem. Okay, students. So this is work and play lesson, and complete your tomorrow. I'm going to give difficult words. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to give new words also. Okay, students. Thank you, students. And tomorrow I'm going to give hard words, and today I'm going to end this class. Thank you. Exam marks you ask your in charge teacher, Hamsini. You ask your in charge teacher, Nana. She will give you. Okay? Thank you. Those who are not written exam, children, worksheet, second worksheet exam, come to school and write the exam. Today is last date for submission your worksheet. Vishnu, Nadamra, Vishnu and Maheshwari, come to school and write the exam. Today is last date for submission. If you have not completed your worksheet, you come to school and write. Okay, students, thank you.